Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Rob Moffat. Guys, I want to talk about a problem this morning I'm having with my computer and my printer. I'll show you how I fixed it. I have a Canon TS9020 and I'm able to print with it and it communicates with my computer, but I'm not able to scan. I've checked my drivers, I've checked my cables, and everything I do, all the buttons on my printer, nothing is working when I want to scan and send it to the computer. The printer is scanning. But nothing is going to the computer. So um, I what I did is I went to uh, Device Manager. Device Manager. Boop, and clicked on printers, and I was able to access my printer. Double click, Bob. Boop. Now it says the device is working properly, but if we go to the settings, it allows us to go to the device and printer folder. Now your printer may be different, but that's how it is with the Canon. Now we can access the printer here, double click, and it's going to allow us to scan photos or documents by using the settings we have on our computer, because no button or anything on the actual printer is working as far as scanning a document, but I can click this. I've already done it, and it'll operate my scanner that's on my printer, well, without actually touching anything on my printer scanner, just using the computer. So if you're having a similar problem and you've checked your cables and you've checked to make sure all of your drivers are updated, you may just want to give up and just just go into your computer, use Device Manager, and that's done by just clicking down here in your search box. And easy as that. And it saved me a lot of time and aggravation. And now I just go into the computer, and it's easy peasy. Guys, I hope that was something simple and easy fix for you, and you get you back on the road with your printer scanner. And I put on new videos every week. Been doing it for 15 years. Got over 1,100 videos on all sorts of topics, many different playlists. And a bunch of cool people I featured down the bottom of my channel. No relation to me. They would not anyway. But new stuff every week. You never know what you're going to find because I never know what I'm going to put on. All right, guys. Hope that was good for you. And take care. See you out there.